Foolish feelings. 72 counts, 1 wall, high intermediate, West Coast swing style. Weight on the left. Section 1, right foot. Back rock, recover. Shuffle forward with sweep. Cross. Right, Caesar cross. Big step left with hold. Section 2, ball cross. Right foot, side together. Side rock. When you recover left, fan heel. Step right back, fan heel. Left step, lock step. Count section 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Hold 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 3. Quarter side touch with snap. Open body to the right, now facing 3 o'clock. Make a curvy half run, left, right, left, facing 9. Quarter forward, quarter side, quarter sailor forward, now facing 6. Section 4, forward on left. Make 2 hip bump half turn, hip and down, back to 6. Make a slow rock recover, quick back together. Count section 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and. Section 5. Back right, push right arm forward for lyrics, stop, hold, ball, shuffle forward on the right. Forward left, point switches, point right, together, point left. Quarter forward with sweep, facing 3. Section 6. Cross, side, back, lock, back. Left foot, back rock, recover, half back, quarter side, facing 12. Count section 5 and 6. 1 hold 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 7. Point left to the side. Same time push left hand forward for lyrics stop. Quarter forward with sweep, now facing 9. Right cross samba. Cross side behind side cross. Section 8. Right foot side rock recover cross side cross. Quarter back, quarter side facing 3. Samba quarter together. Cross, quarter back together. Hands down body for lyrics, feelings. Count section 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Last section, section 9. 2 walk, right, left, right, shuffle forward. Forward left, step right together with body roll. Run back, left, right, left. And start again. Count section 9. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Bridge on wall 4, finishing the 32 counts, which is rock, recover, back together. Instead of back right with the stop sign, you will do 3 Dorothy step. Right Dorothy, left Dorothy, right Dorothy, left forward rock, recover. Section 2 of the bridge. Ball, cross, back, back, cross, back, back, cross, back. Reverse rocking chair, back rock, forward rock. Then continue the dance from the first stop. Count bridge. After at the end of 32 counts, 6, 7, 8 and bridge. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1. Continue to the end. Whole dance count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Wall 2, 16 counts, restart. Wall 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Restart to wall 3. Wall 4, 32 counts, then bridge. Wall 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and bridge. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and continue. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then you will go to wall 5. Wall 5 is last wall. You stop at 48 counts, which is the second stop at front wall.